Welcome back to Apple Insider, where we explore the latest innovations in the tech world. Today, we're diving into something unexpected, the Infinix Note 60i, a futuristic budget-friendly smartphone that's shaking up the market in 2025. Infinix may not be a direct competitor to Apple, but its rapid advancements in mobile technology make it a brand worth watching. Let's start with the design. The Infinix Note 60i takes a bold step forward with a sleek, ultra-slim body and a near bezel-less 6.8-inch AMOLED display. For a budget smartphone, this is impressive. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a smooth user experience, making it a solid choice for gamers and media consumers alike. The punch-hole camera design keeps the aesthetics modern, and the glass back finish adds a premium feel. Under the hood, the Note 60i is powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity chipset, offering 5G connectivity for faster downloads and seamless streaming. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, this phone handles multitasking like a pro. Whether it's gaming, video editing, or running demanding apps, it delivers performance that rivals some mid-range devices. The camera system is another standout feature. Infinix has upgraded the AI-enhanced 108-megapixels primary sensor, ensuring crystal-clear images in all lighting conditions. The ultrawide and macro lenses provide versatility, and the new AI night mode takes low-light photography to the next level. Video recording has also seen an upgrade with 4K 60fps support and improved stabilization, making it a great option for content creators. Battery life is where Infinix continues to dominate. The massive 6000 mAh battery supports 68W fast charging, meaning you can go from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes. Wireless charging and reverse charging capabilities make it even more convenient, a feature that's still missing from some flagship devices. Software-wise, the Note 60i runs on XOS 13, based on Android 14, with a promise of at least 3 years of major updates. The UI has been refined for a smoother experience, and the addition of AI-powered features enhances usability. Smart Assistant integrations, voice commands, and gesture controls make daily tasks more efficient. When it comes to security, Infinix has stepped up its game with an in-display fingerprint sensor and AI face unlock. The privacy dashboard also gives users more control over app permissions and data tracking. With a starting price rumored to be under $300, the Infinix Note 60i is setting a new standard for budget smartphones. It offers premium features without the flagship price tag, making it a serious contender in the global market. While Apple continues to dominate the high-end segment, brands like Infinix are proving that affordability doesn't have to mean compromise. The competition is heating up, and that's great news for consumers. What are your thoughts on the Infinix Note 60i? Could it be a budget killer in 2025? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech updates. See you in the next one.